Class, today we're going to try to graph the ellipse, and I have the standard form for you right here. Okay, so this is how I remember. H always go with X, K always go with Y, and I put A for X and B for Y. So for the ellipse, just like the circle, the center is important. So if you have standard form, the center is just HK. Okay, so this problem right here is really easy because it's in standard form already. So you can tell that the vertex, the center, not the vertex, the center I'm thinking parabola, that's why. The center is 2, -3. Okay, and the number that go with X, you see 16 right there. Make sure you take the square root, right? So if I take the square root, I'm gonna get plus and minus 4. I take the square root, I get plus and minus 3. Okay, so now let's graph. First, we locate the center, 2, -3, right here. And then you see A and B, that's gonna help you to go left, right, or up, down. So like I said, A goes with X, so that means you go left and right. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, left and right. Back to the center, I'm gonna go up, down, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there we have it. Very easy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the most important thing of ellipse, like I said, is the center. But you need to make sure one thing. So what is when it's come to ellipse, the standard form, you need one. That one right there. Otherwise, you ended up with a circle. Okay, so make sure ellipse equals to 1. The equation has to equal to 1. Okay, so the next problem you see right here, I do not have the equation equals to 1. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create that 1. So how do we do it? We divide 144. Right? Now, because we divide by 144, you're going to have to do it for everything. Otherwise, you change the equation. Okay, so now I can reduce the fraction. Nine x squared like that. I reduce it. So it's going to be x squared over 9 plus y squared over 16. Now we got it, right? Now you know that the x squared plus y squared, so we know that the center is just the origin. A is going to be plus and minus 3. B is going to be plus and minus 4, right? So I go center, A, left, right. B, up, down. Okay, so we go that. There you have it. Okay, have you noticed that for this problem, B is larger? That's why you have the ellipse vertically. And then for the previous problem, number 1 here, A is larger, so you have it horizontally. Okay, all right, so that's the difference between the major and the minor axis. Okay, now take a look at this one right here. Okay, this is one right here. We do not have the standard form. Now, not only we do not have 1, we have 4x squared. You see the standard form for ellipse, the coefficient is 1. Okay, so how do we do it? We're going to have to complete the square. So we go for, first I'm going to group them all together. So x go with x, y goes with y. So 4x squared plus 24x plus y squared plus 2y. I'm going to move 33 to the other side. Okay. All right. So the next thing we need to do is we need to factor out, because like I said, we cannot have anything other than 1 for the coefficient. I'm so sorry, you guys, all those sounds. My German Shepherd just stormed in. Okay, so anyway, now I have to factor it. Okay, so I factor out 4. I'm gonna get x squared plus 6x. We have to complete the square, so I'm just gonna leave some space there, plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 33. All right, so now we're gonna complete the square. I'm gonna take 6b divided by 2 squared, so it's gonna be 9 plus 9. Here's the thing. You just add 9 to the left-hand side, you're gonna have to do the same thing on the right-hand side. Otherwise, you change the equation, right? However, you're not just adding 9 because of that 4. So in fact, you're adding 4 times 9, which is 36. Okay. For this one, you're just adding 1 because 2 divided by 2 squared, you're just adding 1. So I'm just going to add 1 here. Okay. So now we are ready to factor. Square plus y plus 1 squared. So now when I simplify this, I'm gonna end up with 4. Okay. We cannot have 4, right? We need to get 1. So I'm gonna divide by 4. Divide everything by 4. So now what we have is x plus 3 squared over 1. Y plus 1 squared over 2 equals 1. So now we know the center is negative 3, negative 1. And for A, you go left, right, 1. For B, sorry, I don't know why I put 4. Why I put 2. For B, we go left, right, 2. There we have it.